Hello friends, myself Mr. Minal R. Patel, working as a lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department from Vallabhbhuti Polytechnic, Navsari. Today I will discuss about the sheet metal operations for the subject Manufacturing Engineering 1, subject code 3331901. There are so many operations that can be performed in sheet metal working. In today's video, we are discussing about the operations that are performed in sheet metal working. In sheet metal working, blank is put between punch and die. When punch is pressed, the sheet metal gets deformed. In general, sheet metal operations are shearing, cutting off, parting, blanking, punching, notching, slitting, lancing, nibbling, trimming, bending, drawing, embossing, and piercing. Let's discuss one by one. So the first operation is shearing. In shearing operation, sheet metal is cut on edge to form a edge. Sheet metal is cut to form an edge. For understanding of shearing operation, we can take the example of scissor. In right hand side, industrial shearing machine is shown. The next operation is cutting off. In this operation, workpiece is cut into two pieces in the required shape. The next operation is parting operation. In parting operation, scrap material is removed from the workpiece. So, workpiece is cut into two pieces. The next operation is blanking. Here blanking operation is shown. When the material is cut down from the sheet, then it is called blanking operation. The next operation is punching operation. In punching operation, blank holes are produced. The material which removed from the sheet metal is known as scrap. Here punching machine is shown. The next operation is notching. In notching operation, material is removed from the edge of the sheet. Here notching operation is shown. The shape of notch varies as per the requirement. The next operation is slitting. In slitting no scrap is produced. Here slitting operation is shown. The next operation is lancing. In this operation, a cut of small length is produced in sheet metal and it is bent for the opening of sheet. The next operation is nibbling. In this operation, complex shapes can be cut from the sheet metal as shown in figure. In right hand side, nibbling machine is shown. The next operation is trimming. In trimming operation, excess material from the sheet is removed from the workpiece. Here trimming operation is shown. Here excess material is cut down from the workpiece. Next operation is bending. In bending operation, sheet metal is bended. Sheet metal is bended under compressive load. Bending can be done at right angle or any at required angle. The next operation is drawing. In this operation, punch is pressed against the die. We can see the cup type operation can be made from drawing operation. Here embossing is shown. Here numbers are embossed on sheet metal. Next operation is piercing. Piercing means punching a small hole in a sheet metal. Next operation is perforating. Perforating is producing so many holes close together. Perforating operation is shown in figure, and these are the perforated shapes which can be made from perforating operations. So these are the common sheet metal working operations.